Hello students, today we will learn Python sets. So here we will learn what all are Python sets, that is one, and second how to create, how many ways we can create a Python set, then what all are the properties of Python sets, then here we will learn how and which all methods we can use to work with Python sets. So there are various questions on this one. So let us start it. Python sets. So what all are Python sets? Python sets are group of elements. Python sets are group of elements which are used to perform various operations on these elements like union, intersection, differences, symmetric differences. All those are the operations which can be performed on Python sets. So here's an example for that one. Assume you have a set A, and in the set A you have got some elements, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this. And in another group you have got a B group, and in that one we have got different element, and although some are matching as well. Then these A and B are two sets. Number A is one set and B is the another set. So here, as I have said, that we will be performing some operations: union, intersection, difference, and the symmetric differences. So here we will be applying various operations on these operations. Now let us move ahead, please. Then next, how to create a set. We have got actually two ways of creating a set. One is by curly brackets. So here you can with the definition of Python set, if you want to represent your sets, your groups, you can use curly brackets as I have used here. And now when we are coming down to creation of Python sets, we have got two ways. One is by using curly brackets. So you will have to keep in mind that when you are putting this curly brackets, this is applicable for dictionary as well. So when in the as a empty set, you cannot say that it is a set only. It can be a dictionary as well. But when you will keep on adding element, then the bifurcation will start. In case of your dictionary, you will have to follow key value pair rules, and here in the set there will be only elements. So this is one way by which you can create your sets, and another way is you can use a set method also used to create your sets. So this is another way of doing it. And now what all are the properties of sets? Sets have the following properties. Number one, set elements does not support any index number to access. That means if, like in arrays, like in list, like in tuple, you can access any element in the sequence by giving its index number. So it will be accessed in the sequence. But when it comes to your set, you don't have any index number, please. So keep in mind that you will be if you want to access any element, then you will be accessing either as a whole, and or you will have to find out some common properties, by that you can access it. Then next comes out set does not contain any duplicate element. So where you should use your sets, group set property, set the property of any any element should be used where you want to find out unique values from a given list or from a given group. So that means those all will be unique, there will be no duplicacy in that case. Then next comes out sets are not in sorted order. So again you will have to keep in mind, whatever order in whatever way you have entered physically, that will be returning in the same form only. Means there will be no ordering at all, no sequence changing will be there. So sets as they have been entered, in the same way you will get their output. Then next comes out sets are mutable. Mutable means changeable, means you can add them, you can alter them, you can add them, you can modify them, you can delete some of the elements from the sets. So all these operations you can perform, and that's why it is mutable, means you can change the sets, you can change the groups. Then next comes out what important methods can be applied on sets. Although there are so many methods, but we have picked here only the important one, like add method. So add method, what add method will do? Add method will add a single element in the set. Like I have got a set A, and in this set I have got elements 1 to 8. 1 to 8. Now in the next line I am adding one more element to this, and that I have used add method. So it is my set A dot is the membership operator, dot add and then 9. So means here A is using a method, set A is using a method, that is add method, and how much what it is adding to this? Keep in mind only one element can be added. So what it is adding? It is adding 9 to set A, and now when you will print, you will get the output something like this. Then next comes out remove method. What remove method does? Remove method works on value, element value. So because as we have already discussed that we don't have any index number here, so whatever value you will give, you will be able to remove or add to that value here. So what does that mean? That means here assume I have got a set A. A has got element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and in that one, if I want to remove element number, so here 9 should also be there, please. Then only you will be able to remove it. I think I have left it out, or you can say 8. When you will write 8 here, or either say 9 here, when 9 is available here, then you can remove this element and you will get output here. So 9 element must be there, which I have left it out by mistake, comma 9. Then only this element will be removed. Now next comes out pop method. What pop method does here? Pop method is used to remove the current element. Current element means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 is a current element. So whenever you will write a dot pop, that means you will be removing element from the first position. Although position is again no index number, so you know, but just by visualizing that from where it is starting, that will become your current. So it will be removing first. If you will reapply the same pop method, then it will be removing 2, then after that 3, then 4, like this. So it will be removing all those elements. As in this case, I have given 1, I mean a dot pop one first time, then it has removed 1, and I have got element 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now next comes out update. What is update? Update is again update is another method of the sets, and this method is used to add multiple elements. This update multiple elements means the set will be existing one, and in that one you can update, you can add something. Like here I have got A, this is A. When I am this self addition can also take place here, but keep in mind there is no point of adding self elements. So like in this A equal to 1 to 8, I have taken elements, and now I am updating it with the help of A. That means I will get the same element, because no duplicate elements are allowed in sets, so there will be no change as such. Now next, here output will remain same, but in the very next one we are updating. We have got two sets A and B, and now I am updating set A with the help of set B. Now what will happen? Set A will have elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the elements will be there. Again, keep in mind no duplicate. There will be no duplicates. Then after this, next we are coming down to what are relational operations can be performed on sets. Relational or mathematical operations. These are actually the mathematical relational operations. So here we have got for working with the relational operations, we have got 4 kind of operations we can perform here. One is a union, second one is a intersection, and third one is your difference, and fourth one is your symmetric difference. So symmetric is the fourth one. So now let us go one by one. When I say union, that means assume I have got set A and B. What that mean? That mean I will be taking all the elements without without excluding even a single one. All the elements from both the sets. All the elements from both the sets. and if anyone is coming as a duplicate, that will become a single one. Means only unique will become in the set. As here you can see in A union B, all the unique have come up. So it sets a relation between sets that includes all the element of the given two or more sets, but without repeating them or without duplicate elements. Without duplicate elements, no repetition will be there. Please keep in mind. Then next comes out intersection of set B. Intersection of sets. Now here what symbol we have used for this? We are using OR operator. Please see, from Python programming point of view, you will have to use OR operator as a union. So like as I have done here, A union B. And if you want to assign this set to a C set, C equal to A union B, then what will happen? C set will have all these values. C set will have all these values, and in that case A and B will become a subset of C. In that case A and B will become subset of C. Means the element of A or either of B, both sets elements are existing in set C, which is union of A and B. So this is one. And one more thing here, one more property we have, joint and disjoint of two sets. Assume A and B, if we want to look out for whether they are joined, the sets will be joined only when they will be common elements. So here A and B are joint sets. How we can say joint? Because here 6, 7, 8 we have got 6, 7, 8 here as a common element, so it will become a joint set. And if we do not have any common elements, then that will become a disjoint. Then that will be written disjoint in that case of true. Then difference of next is we are coming down to difference of sets. So when difference of set, in this case, that means what we will, sorry, intersection first. In case of intersection of sets, what it includes, it is in intersection of sets we will be taking only common elements. So here we have got set A and another set is B, and we will be picking out the common elements. So what all common element do we have here? 6, 7, 8 are the common. And which symbol we will be using here? Here it is AND operator. It is AND operator, and it was OR operator. Now what all we will get out of it? We will get out of it 6, 7, 8 as an output. So this program you can simply put there in the VS Code or either any Python IDE. There you can run it like a Python idle, PyCharm, whichever you are using, you can run this program there. Then next comes out difference of sets. Difference of sets means here, assume in this case what will happen? We will be picking out element of A and difference A and B. We have got two sets A and B here. Now when I am putting A minus B, that means elements of A that are not in B. Elements of A not in B. When I am putting B minus A, that means element of B that are not in A. So here is an output. Like A minus B means we have got element 1, 2, 3, 4 which are in A but not in B. So 6, 7, 8 are in B, so these will not come there. And when I am saying B minus A, that means the element 8, 9, 10 which are only in B, not in A. So here 6, 7, 8 will be excluded. So this will be your intersection. Means common element will be as it is a difference. So the depending upon whichever you are performing, A minus B or B minus A, depending on that you will be responding here like this. So then next comes out symmetric difference of sets. In the symmetric difference of sets, we will be including all those elements, we will be excluding all those elements which are not common. It is just opposite of your intersection. So in the intersection we were taking common elements, here we are removing common elements. So A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and what all we are removing? We are removing 6, 7, 8. So it will become 1 to A, 1 to 5, then 9, 10. This will become my symmetric difference. So here which symbol we have used? This is the caret sign, and with the help of caret sign we can perform symmetric difference. And although we have got functions union, intersection, symmetric difference, all even difference, we have got functions as well. But if you want to directly put out this, I mean this will be the simple one. Then next comes out, what all are the real life applications of sets? Actually, the important sets are very important whenever you are looking out two groups, and in those two groups you are looking out for the uniqueness of those groups. That is one. Unique properties, unique values, anything unique. That is one. Second, whenever you are looking for common values, again you can look out for those. And sometime if you are looking for from the mixed group, you want to pick out the common speaking people, like that. Common speaking people, common only unique language speaking people, then you can you can apply sets. So here are some examples. See, selecting unique items from a given list. Selecting unique items from a given list. Assume you have got a list, in that one multiple items have been written, and then if you are asked to pick out only the unique items, you can use sets there. And another one is picking only common rates from two given rate list. So here again you can apply intersection. Then next, print names of employees who got their first salary by comparing previous month's salary. It means the new employee salary list and new month's list, say current month's employee list and previous month's employee list. That means the new employee list will be the employee which are not in the earlier one. A minus B operation can be performed here. So only you will be getting the new employee list who are getting their first salary. Those can be listed out. Then finding common language speaking groups among multiple language speaking group, you can again look out for the intersection. You can look out for the intersection. Adding a player in team with all-rounder capabilities. That means you will have to you will have to look out for the, if any of the any of the player is having bowler, batsman, all those features, then you can pick out him from the bowler and as well as from the batsman list, and he will become, again intersection will be performed here. So similarly the last one is also having the similar feature. So you can, this way you can apply these things. Now I will just go to VS Code, and one example I'll just try to do it for you, and then later on you can perform your own. So here I'm in the VS Code. Now here I'll create one file, say my sets 2.2.py. Now here what I'll do, I'll create a set, say this is my set 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and I have got another set, say B equal to 1 2 3, and in this one I want to 1 2 3 8, 9, 10, and then I want to pick out the unique values. So what I'll write here, print A. Firstly I'll perform for the union A, union B, and just print it, you will get the response. Print it, you will get the output. Here you got union of that one, and when I say intersection, change this symbol and put here ampersand, you will be getting only common elements. So here 1 2 3 will be your answer. And similarly, if you want to find out differences and other thing, you can put here, say difference, you can put here A minus B, and here in this case what is having A is having 4 5 6, only the A 4 5 6 will be coming up, because the rest 1 2 3 are there in A and B both, so this will be left out. 8 9 10 are in B but not in A, so only A's element we have to look out which are unique in A. So 4 5 6 are those, and you can run it and you will get the answer for that one. And go click it and you will get 4 5 6. So like if you want to find out B minus A, then again you will be getting from B 8 9 10. And when you want to get symmetry of A and B, so what all you will be getting? You will be getting the elements which are not common. which are not common means 1 2 3 sorry 4 5 6 8 9 10 will be the answer. Click on this one and click this, you are getting 4 5 6 8 9 10. Like this you can perform various mathematical operations. And as well as, see, let us suppose if you want to add some items to the list, call this method, and here adds one more element. Say I'll add 11 to the first list, and then print a, you will get the new added item. Just run it and see the output. 11 has been added to the first one. And similarly you can perform other operations, remove, pop, all those. Even pop you can see, because pop is also very important, that removes the current element. So when I'll give pop, what I'll be getting here, I'll be removing one from the list, and you can run it. Pop will be removing current element, and that will be from left side, that is one has been removed. So like this you have various operation with the sets. And some more thing with the sets, you can go with the set, you can perform these operations like this also as well. You can make a complete program, you can make union, complete program like this. You can make a function union, intersection, and here difference A, difference B, and then here you can create one more symmetry as well. And then inside the while loop you can make various options 1 2 3 4 5, and by picking one you can show output for that particular operation. So this way you can perform all the set operations, as sets are very important for real life working. So this chapter will be quite helpful for understanding all those examples, real life examples. And thank you very much for seeing this, please.